Hello everyone, my name is Abdulbari Twana and this is Mazen, my friend. We are grade 9 students. We are going to talk about William Blake's biography. William Blake was born on November 28 in 1757 in London, England. He was an artist and poet who received his education at the Royal Academy of Art School of Design. He died on August 12 in 1827 in London, England. William Blake is an influential figure from the Romantic age. His paintings and writings have inspired uncountable people throughout the ages. The Marriage of Heaven and Hell explores the relationship between the two opposites. The Songs of Innocence and of Experience, two collections of poetry, explores those who are yet to be corrupted by society and those who have typically. Children are the innocent ones. Auguries of Innocence explores innocence and how it can be corrupted.
Blake's poems and images work together. He seeks to represent through words and images the vision of his imagination. He was also paid to illustrate the works of others. His method of illustrating also allowed artists to connect with the mass audience, preceding the rise of literacy and mass consumption of printed materials. Using a language which even little babies can learn by heart. Presenting a happy and innocent world without the evils and sufferings. Everything seems to be in pious harmony. A much mature work showing the sufferings of the miserable. It marks the poet's progress in his outlook on life, to whom experience had brought a fuller sense of the power of evil and of the great misery and pain of the people's life. The symbol changed from the lamb to the tiger.
Thanks for watching.